When you're ready, find yourself a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and allow yourself to settle in, free from distractions, so you can fully relax and open your mind to this journey. Nobody wants anything, nobody needs anything. Any sounds around you or in the distance can take you deeper and deeper. And as you take a deep breath in and slowly exhale, feeling any tension begin to melt away as you release each breath. With each exhale, allowing yourself to sink a little deeper into relaxation. Starting at the top of your head, bring your focus there, your attention there, letting go of any tightness or tension. By imagining a wave of relaxation beginning at the crown of your head, flowing slowly down. And let this wave of calmness soften your forehead, smoothing any lines, and let your eyelids become heavy and relaxed, allowing any tension around your eyes to dissolve now. Feel this wave gently moving down over your face, your cheeks, and your jaw. And let your jaw relax completely, loosening and dropping slightly. Breathing in and release that. And with each breath out, feel yourself sinking down deeper and deeper, bringing your focus to your neck now and shoulders. Imagine any weight you may be carrying there, just melting away, as if a warm, gentle light is easing each muscle into deep relaxation, allowing this feeling to flow down through your arms, past your elbows, into your forearms and hands. Let your fingers soften, each one feeling warm, loose, and heavy. Now bringing your attention to your chest, feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. And with each exhale, feel your chest relax more, like a weight is lifting off. Then allow this wave of relaxation to move into your belly, releasing any tightness there, allowing you to feel soft and at ease. Then let this wave of calm flow down through your hips and lower back. And as you release any tension there, letting it dissolve, leaving you feeling fully supported and relaxed. Let your thighs become heavy, sinking deeper and deeper into relaxation. And as you do, feel this sensation, warm sensation, moving down through your knees, into your calves, your ankles, and finally your feet. Let go of any last bit of tension. Your entire body is now bathed in a calm, gentle relaxation, from the top of your head all the way down to your toes. Now in a moment, I'm going to count from 10 to 1. And with each number, I would like you to allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into relaxation, into a quiet, peaceful state, ready for this journey into the past. 10. Sinking deeper and 9. Letting go. 8. Drifting even deeper. 7. 6. Your mind feels clear, relaxed. 5. 4. Your body is calm and at peace. 3. 2. 1. You are now deeply relaxed, calm, and ready to journey into a past life. Now, imagine yourself standing at the top of a gentle path that leads down to a doorway. The doorway is an entrance to one of your past lives, and you are completely safe and protected, and you know you are free to explore without any fear. So when you're ready, begin to walk down this path, and with each step you move closer and closer to a doorway, opening your mind to memories and wisdom from another lifetime. 5. Walking down 4, deeper and deeper into relaxation. 3, 2, 1. You've arrived at the doorway. Take a moment here, feeling calm, centered, and ready. And when you're ready, reach out and open the door. Stepping through this door into another time, another place, in a past life. And as you do, take a look around. Notice the environment around you. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Looking down and see what you're wearing. Notice the colors, textures, and style of your clothing. And let your surroundings come into focus. Now, in a moment, I'll ask you a few gentle questions to guide your experience. And don't worry if you don't have any clear answers. Just allow any images, feelings, or impressions to come naturally. Where are you? Take in any details of your surroundings. Notice if you're outdoors, indoors, in a city, or in nature. What year is it? Are there any clues about the era, like your clothing, your surroundings, or what you see around you? How old are you in this life? Are you young, older, or somewhere in between? And as you look around, are there other people with you? And if there are, who are they? And what role do they play in your life? What is your role in this life? Do you sense what you do, or what purpose you feel? Notice how you feel in this moment. Do you feel happy, sad, peaceful, or excited? Just allow yourself to simply observe. Now take a few moments to explore this life. You may feel yourself drawn to a particular scene, an event, or even a significant day. Allow this memory to unfold naturally, showing you whatever is most meaningful for you to see. Now, as you experience this past life, see if there's a message or insight waiting here for you. Something you can bring back with you to support and guide you in your present life. Ask yourself, or the wisdom within this past life, is there a lesson, a piece of wisdom, or insight you can take with you? This may be an understanding about relationships, about resilience, about love, or perhaps something unique to you. Allow yourself to listen deeply. Let this message or insight come forward, feeling that it's something helpful, something supportive for you. Trust that whatever arises is meant to help you in your present journey. Now, in a moment, it will be time to return to the present, bringing with you any valuable wisdom you've gained. You can return to this past life anytime you wish, but for now, say a gentle goodbye to this memory, to this place, to the people you may have met. Then turn back toward the path, and as you begin to walk back up, leaving this lifetime, bringing with you the wisdom and insights you discovered. 5, beginning to return. 4, feeling more awake. 3, your mind and body feel refreshed. 2 and 1. Take a deep breath and feel your awareness returning to your present surroundings. Allow your fingers and toes to gently move, bringing yourself back to full awareness, to the here and now. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes feeling calm, peaceful, and carrying with you any insights you've gathered.